This is the Kreg Shelf Pin Jig, and it's ideal for adding adjustable shelves to custom joinery on location. Now this jig is super easy to use. There's a removable fence that can be attached to either side of the jig to align the holes with the edge of your panel. All the bits you need to use this jig neatly attached to the rear for easy storage. You'll notice that where the bit is stored is also where you set the depth on that stop collar. I use a spacer to work from the bottom up to locate the jig where I want the holes to start, and then I hold the jig in place with a clamp. If you need more than 6 holes, you can connect multiples of this jig together with the included connection plate, or use the locating pin to put a pin in the hole and work your way up even further. Now the problem with making custom jigs out of strips of melamine and offcuts is that those holes never stop you getting a little bit of angle on the drill, and those holes eventually ream out, giving you some rock in your shelves. Well, with this jig, the holes are lined with hardened steel. They'll keep you perpendicular to the surface, nice and straight with your drill. And the jig's small enough that you can easily throw it in the toolbox and take it anywhere. That's the shelf pin jig from Kreg. You got any questions all about this handy bit of kit? Hit me up in that comment section below, and until next time, I'm Tim, and you're watching Sydney Tools TV.